Okay, student. Today we will discuss how we can determine the force exerted on a pipe if the pipe is in the form of band. Suppose this is the pipe and here band is there. So we have to find out how we find out the force acting on this band. So for this, suppose this is the pipe in the form of band. So we have considered two sections, section 1-1 and section 2-2. Section 1-1 at the inlet section, section 2-2 at the outlet section. We can assume here P1A1. P1A1 is the force exerted at the section 1-1, and here V1. V1 is the inlet velocity. And when this band is there, we consider a point where horizontal force is there and vertical force. Fx is the horizontal force when the pipe take a bend, and Fy is the vertical force. And we assume that theta is the angle of the outlet of the band with the axis of inlet. So here we will apply impulse momentum equation. As we know that by Newton's law of equation, this is the by Newton's second law of motion, where F is equal to m into a, and a can be written as dv upon dt. ऐसी equation is equal to change in velocity with respect to time. तो यहाँ पर हमने बेटा एक ही जगह we can put dv upon dt. This equation is like that. F into dt is equal to change in momentum. M into v is nothing but it is the momentum. That is called impulse momentum equation. We use this equation to find out the force. So here as I already discussed, यहाँ पर V1 क्या है? V1 which are the velocity at inlet, and when there is a bend at this portion, and P1 and P2, these are the pressure force at section 1-1, section 2-2. A1 and A2 are the area at section 1-1 and section 2-2. We can see what are the forces applied by the liquid on this pipe band. So there are three forces. Number one force is pressure force, that is P into A. You know that P is equal to F upon A, and F is equal to P into A. Here F is nothing but the pressure force. So it is pressure force, P into A. Now second force is force exerted by the flow. Whatever liquid is flowing, that liquid is also create some forces. That is F. And third force is weight of the fluid flow. That can be by W. So in this section, we will apply momentum equation. Or we can, as you know, the momentum equation क्या होगा? Net force in x direction is equal to rate of change of momentum, as we try from the impulse momentum equation. Net force is equal to change in momentum. It means F into dt is equal to change in momentum, mass into velocity. तो अभी हम देखेंगे पहले नेट फोर्स इन x डायरेक्शन, फिर देखेंगे नेट फोर्स इन y डायरेक्शन. तो अभी आप बताओ x डायरेक्शन में कौन कौन फोर्स लग रहे हैं? पहला फोर्स ये है x डायरेक्शन में P1A1. तो P1A1 is this, and second force is this P2A2 cos theta, but it is applicable in reverse direction. इधर लग रहा है ना और ये इधर लग रहा है, तो इसको हम लेंगे नेगेटिव, माइनस P2A2 cos theta. Then Fx डायरेक्शन। तो जो फोर्स फ्लो की लिक्विड फ्लो की डायरेक्शन में वो पॉजिटिव ले जाएंगे, जो उसके अगेंस्ट में है वो नेगेटिव ले जाएंगे। तो ये पॉजिटिव हो गया और ये पॉजिटिव हो गया। दिस कंपोनेंट एक्ट एज नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। ये होगा P1 A1 माइनस P2 A2 cos theta प्लस Fx एंड इट इज इक्वल टू रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम। मोमेंटम क्या होता है? मास इनटू वेलोसिटी। तो रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मास and change in velocity. Here mass rate of change in velocity is equal to rho into q. How it is that? We know that density is equal to mass upon volume and mass is equal to density into volume. Here volume is taken in the form of fluid. क्योंकि पानी जो बह रहा है वॉल्यूम है उसका, it can be taken as q. Change in velocity in x direction. एक कंपोनेंट क्या है? v2 cos थीटा। ये वेलोसिटी हमारी v2 cos थीटा है x डायरेक्शन में, और ये v1 लग रहा है। दोनों हालांकि सेम डायरेक्शन में है, बट हमको क्या लेना है? रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी, मतलब फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी। तो ये फाइनल वेलोसिटी कंपोनेंट है, ये इनिशियल वेलोसिटी का। इसको हमने आगे सॉल्व किया। In the you will find that force in x direction is like that: rho q v2 cos theta minus v1 plus आप इसको ले जाइए p2 a2 cos theta minus p1 a1। ये हमारा आ गया force in x direction। Now we will find out force in y direction। In the same way you can see this minus p2 a2 sin theta, this component. It is downward direction, so taken as negative. Then Fy upward direction, taken as positive. Same. Rho q मतलब change rate, mass rate of change of flow, rho q. v2 sin theta minus initial velocity is 0. यहाँ पर आगे बेटा Fy is equal to rho q ब्रैकेट में v2 sin theta, ये कंपोनेंट आप ले जाओ v2 sin theta। तो इस तरह we will find out the what are the force in x direction and y direction. Now resultant can be find by this formula, and this equal to square root of force in x direction, force in y direction, and we can also find out the theta by this formula. Theta is equal to tan inverse Fy upon Fx. This is the lecture about what are the force applicable on the band of the pipe by the liquid. Thank you.